lush greenery is what we all desire living in. It makes us feel home, like we belong, close to our roots. When paired with aesthetic elegance, these plants complete the homes of our entire plant lovers community. At Harshdeep, we design unique planters that last generations.
When we make our homes for the plants, we believe in growth which gives back to nature. Our team comes from 20+ years of experience to serve the need of the modern day while being sustaining. Harshdeep will always keep innovating, experimenting and believing.
Our state-of-the-art facilities, located in Bhiwandi and Pune, manufacture over 30,000 plus pots and planters daily, staying efficient and resilient. We are committed to keeping nature natural. We use 100% recyclable materials to design our pots and planters. This makes us the preferred choice of plant lovers across the country.
We love plant lovers and they love us, and that has made Harshdeep one of the most loved brands for planters in India. We have successfully expanded into garden furniture to create a wholesome aesthetic experience for our customers.
Just in India, our products are available in over 500 plus garden centers, with our main offices in 7 major cities. We are constantly inspired by the world around us, and we create designs that our global customers love across 6 continents.
We try to stay connected with all our dealers and distributors through digital mediums and personal connect because we consider their feedback very seriously. And I feel proud to carry my father's legacy and his commitment to this environment.
Each product we create is a seed of trust and responsibility, sown with care. Just like our plant lovers, we carry forward family traditions. We carry innovation in our DNA and nurture future leaders with diversity, ethos, and culture.
Every planter is like an art piece. Our designs are unique and captivating in terms of aesthetic and strength. It takes around 4 to 5 months of focused research and development to finally land at the right designs. Just like we were the first company in India to add wheels to the planters to give ease of use to our customers. We never tire away from doing this hard work.
Our collection is a symphony of designs, each piece crafted with care to bring joy to your space. Imagine the minimalist elegance of our decorative series, the sophisticated charm of our FRP series, or the unique style of our roto-molded series, gracing your home. Every product we create is a labor of love, going through meticulous prototyping and rigorous testing to ensure it stands the test of time. Our dedication is all about enhancing your experience, bringing beauty and functionality together, and making sure you get the best of what we offer. The journey begins with selecting premium, best quality and recyclable materials.
Our sourcing process is stringent and we only source from select vendors who are best at their jobs.
These materials are engineered to withstand harsh conditions, extreme temperatures and UV radiations.
We have developed a competitive edge in manufacturing, so let us take you through our key process in detail.
Our injection molding process exemplifies efficiency, allowing us to produce large quantities to meet our customers' needs. Our rotational molding process is dedicated to crafting durable outdoor planters. Lastly, our FRP molding process, grounded in expert craftsmanship, focuses on creating visually stunning designs with unique shapes, finishes, and styles. At Harshdeep, our teams meticulously oversee the supply chain, from design and manufacturing to after-sales service, ensuring a fulfilling experience for our community.
हमारी फैक्ट्रियों की ग्रोथ और सालों के तजुर्बे ने मिलकर लीड टाइम को 15 दिन किया है। इससे हमारे कस्टमर तक प्रोडक्ट जल्दी पहुंचते हैं। हम उनसे हमेशा जुड़े रहते हैं ताकि उनके घरों की हरियाली बरकरार रहे।
We add aesthetics to your home gardens, bridging the gap between the elegance and rawness of nature. We invite you to create traditions that last generations. Join us in our mission to build an elegant and sustainable future. Harshdeep, believe in quality.